Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. Today I want to show you how to install our Hover Monitor Arm HS1121. Okay, let's get started. We're going to install our post system. Now the post system comes pre-assembled with the grommet mount attachment. When you want to change it to a clamp mount, it's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to detach that from the post, take the gasket off, take the clamp off. Then you have the big metal plate, which is the main portion that holds the clamp. That wraps around the desk. We're going to screw in the knob here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the part that clamps to the desk, the metal insert, and that actually goes into the bottom half. Then we take the screw with the washer, and that goes in the top to hold it together. Then we're going to screw that together. And you can take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten it the rest of the way. So this portion is now assembled. Now you take the post mount, and that's going to get attached like this here. And you've got 4 screws that require an Allen wrench. So for that Allen wrench, you're going to find that with the bracket that you attach your monitors to. So there'll be a hardware bag, the monitor mount bracket, and within that hardware bag, you're going to have this Allen wrench. So you're going to take the Allen wrench and you're going to put all the screws in. Okay, once you get the screws all installed, you're going to take the short end and then snug the screws down so they're nice and tight. Once you have that assembled, you have your gasket. There's adhesive on the back. You'll peel the adhesive back. You're going to stick it inside onto the bottom plate here. So to install this product, you're going to want to remove the post, the gasket. This would stay on. That's the clamping portion. When you do a grommet mount, it always works best to remove the ring so you have a nice flat surface. You're going to want to take your gasket and apply it to the bottom of the post so you don't scratch your work surface. And this is all pretty simple. Just screw the clamp into the monitor arm post. Okay, when you get it close to being tight, you want to make sure you center it over the hole so you can get the cables and everything through the monitor post. You'll also notice that we do have a height adjustment that's on here. You can slide this up and down to adjust your monitor arms. Okay, the next thing is, it just all slides together. You're going to take your extension, your second extension, and then your monitor attachment bracket. Now once that's finished, it's basically all assembled. Now, it does come with the screws to attach to the monitor arm that come in the bag with it. It also comes with the Allen wrench to attach those screws. And for the wire management would be the clamping portion, and then you have the cables which wrap through the arm itself. And that's how you install a Hover Monitor Arm HS1121. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.